I don't think so. It is not. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so.
An example, you shut up. I have seen. If you say all girls are bad, if you say all girls are bad, then let me remove every mother, every sister, every female doctor, teacher, scientist from the world. Would society still function? No, because goodness, badness does not come from gender, they come from individual choice. A very good morning to respective sir, ma'am, and my dear friends. So, today our debate topic is all girls are bad, and I am in opposite.
But where there is a drama, a confusion, and control, trust me, there is a woman behind it. A very frantic evening, respected sir and ma'am, and all my dear friends. This is Shashank,
And this is Rudra.
and today our debate topic is: are women good or bad? So according to us, they are bad. So women are the CEO of drama industry. According to 2023 Indian Emotional Statistics Department, women turn small issues to a national crisis faster than any government.
We cannot judge all women based on few bad ones. Like just, we cannot say all boys are criminal. They are good, bad peoples in every gender. It's all about mindset, not gender.
And one bad apple doesn't spoil the whole basket. If a one woman does something wrong, so it doesn't mean that all women are bad.
But a single candle can light a whole group of candles.
It's okay in only some cases. You give the example, it is like a exception.
But nowadays, like women are more like they are just marrying and just giving divorce because of some like misunderstanding. And they are like they want compensation of 1 crore, 2 crore, and that one.
But nowadays, some men are also giving divorce because of another girl. They are doing affairs. I agree, women's also affair, but men's affair ना, क्योंकि एक के साथ उन्हें अच्छा नहीं लगता, उनको नूर की परी भी दिला दो उनको. जब ऐश्वर्या राय का हो सकता है जो मिस वर्ल्ड है, तो फिर we are the normal.
Boys
ना?
have also,
Yes,
other options.
other options. Boys only, see beauty and this types of things more.
So you can't say that all women are bad.
Bad.
Arey, boys see the heart and girls see the face.
Who told you
That's
that?
true.
Who told you that?
For example, to impress a girl, you need to care her, you need to look after her responsibility and that. But if you want to impress a boy, you need just a smile.
Who
And
told
like
you that?
this is true. This is a harsh reality.
तो इसका
This is
मतलब-
a harsh reality.
इसका-
But by that after that also girls are like we don't need and that all. They are like not good hearted and that all.
तो इसका मतलब ना लड़कों के पास कुछ सोच ही नहीं है, वो खाली एक लड़की की स्माइल में मर जा रहे हैं ना. लड़की तो देख रही है ना, करियर देख रही है वो भी. एंड सम गर्ल्स बिल्ड अ बॉयज करियर आल्सो. कुछ लड़के ऐसे होते हैं जो कुछ नहीं कमाते. दे आर लाइक कि माय फादर इज अ बिजनेसमैन, तो व्हाई आई शुड वर्क. बस गर्ल्स देम टेल देम कि इंडिविजुअली यू हैव टू अर्न मनी फॉर मी, फॉर योर फैमिली.
Put some efforts.
Arey, but if the boy's father have a business, so why can't he just be the successor? Why does he have to study and work hard if his dad has a business?
सो इंडिविजुअल भी कुछ चीज होती है, आपकी
So you
अपनी
have to
ग्रोथ भी कुछ होती है. आई
participate in
थिंक
that business, na?
यस ना, यू कैन ग्रो योर डैड बिजनेस लाइक यू. नहीं, माय
He
फादर
don't
हैज
like
पैसा.
हाथ पैर पसार के लग
Yes.
बैठ जाओ.
But like at the starting, if you have a family business, but starting you can sit at home and after that you can take care of that business.
But
But
some boys is like ना कि क्या कहते हैं, if I have my father's business, so why I have to do work, or why I have to support my father? Okay, let it
That's
rest.
the girl's mindset.
Some boys mindset also this. I can give many examples.
For example,
give
I'm sorry, but
example.
on the basis of some example, you can't target the whole, the whole entire woman's.
Yes.
But like these are like one by one examples only make like huge and that.
We cannot judge a book by its cover, and you definitely.
But women's
Let
judge a
me
book by its
complete-
cover.
let me complete-
Arey, but women.
Not complete. You are only saying
Yeah,
your point.
just-
Let me complete my point. In that point, you say na कि let complete.
okay, okay.
But I
Let
stop
complete.
it, so you should also stop.
Silent treatment, nuclear weapon. Like when women are silent, so it's like not she's silent. It's the calmness before a disaster.
We cannot judge a book by its cover, and you definitely cannot judge all girls by a few bad stories. All women are not bad. Some men are also bad in now generations. It's totally depend on you na, how you are treating your girl, how you are treating your mother, sister.
Men also do. Listen, babe, men also do something bad, na? So that means we blame the whole entire man gender. This is not right, na?
Not-
You talk very illogical.
Not all figure are same size. Not all figure are same size. Just like not all boys are same. Not all girls are bad. saying all girls are bad is like saying all teachers are strict, which is not true.
As you said that girls don't like you said, don't judge a book by its cover.
Yes.
Okay, but for example, let's take an example like you are sitting in a cafe. One boy is sitting in a cafe. Okay, one boy and one girl enters the cafe. So the thing, boy will think that the girl is good enough. Okay, and so I should talk to her. But what the girl thinks, like she judges a person like he has a good like style, he has a good style, he has like good face and like that all.
Okay.
But if there a normal person and ordinary person comes, so she will think, yeah, it is not a good person for me and that all. So she is judging now.
I slightly agree with your point. Your point is right कि some girls judge, but some boys are very smart. They say कि no, this girl is, her color is so blackish type. I need some, very good girl. So boys also do same. Not all girls do same. Nowadays boys are also good.
Like,
And listen, if a girl judge on the basis of his dressing sense and all, so it is her mentality, na. You
Yes,
can't
target the mentality,
all
na.
boys are the same mentality.
And boys are also doing nowadays.
Yeah.
But you will see in this
So boys
topic.
have the same issue. So how can you say that?
Yes.
That on the basis of like illogical examples, you said that all women are bad.
Bad.
But women have like mood swings, their mood changes faster than the weather of Bihar. Like they,
that's true.
yeah.
So boys' moods not change.
It's like a flat mood.
Yeah, it's like
It's not like कि 1 second. It's like 20 seconds.
At least girls are saying their point. Na boys are वो अंदर ही रखते हैं saying to another girls is saying to their husband. Boys is saying to another one.
Yeah.
I disagree with your point. I disagree with your point
Okay, for
because
example, Jethalal is married to Dayani.
yeah, that's a show. That's not the reality.
People are
That's a
watching.
good
ना mind
example.
line तो वही जाएगा ना.
Yeah.
People are watching. You are also
Examples
watching
have
Tarak
to be
Mehta.
real. It's not like you can give
Yeah,
examples.
like for example, I give a girl killed his husband because he bought a lauki instead of something other vegetable in Ghaziabad.
It's a real thing.
It's a real story.
Yeah. I'm sorry, but media show us the information. Huh?
Okay, one boy also cut her girlfriend 35 pieces and store in a fridge. Beta boy.
Yeah.
What about that? A girl cut a man's main point because
We don't
at
know the
like
reality, na. We are not there.
it is a reality. The case is going on in Supreme Court.
Media
No,
is
it's a
made.
reality. It's a reality. Let me complete first. Let me complete. No, it is the.
The media that it is right. I'm sorry, bro, but
And nowadays also there is
Agree with your point.
and nowadays there is also a news like a girl cut his husband into many pieces and stored him in a like container. That's
Okay.
real.
Okay.
You know.
Okay, in
No,
that
that's
condition,
not
see her
okay.
mother na. In that condition,
Just
see
because-
her mother.
just because-
Let me
अरे
complete first.
अरे उनकी मम्मी को भी देखो ना.
we have two examples of women in the same case.
Yes.
Just one example.
Let me speak, please. Let me speak.
Okay.
You are saying I agree with your point. That case, उनकी in another hand you see her mother also ना. He is supporting her. क्या कहते हैं दामाद
अपने दामाद को सपोर्ट किया ना उन्होंने
उनकी जो
against her daughter.
Yes. So you should that woman also na.
Like my daughter, this like do this type
Do
of
this.
crime.
Yes.
So
You
we
see
have-
that you have
in
seen
the
only
same
half
two
news.
examples.
You have seen
One
only
is
half news and you are coming here.
Yeah.
So see the full news, bro. Then talk to us.
Arey, full news is this that girl loved another boy. So she
You
like
have not seen her mother interview. Let me ask you. Girl's mother interview you have seen?
I saw that. Yeah, she is opposing that. But what's the point? Na? He has an affair with his new boyfriend. He is supporting him, na?
See, we don't know whole story. One story is saying that boy, girl's husband has said so many lies to girls. It shows no shows na media is paid, bro.
only like ना वो एक highlight type की line दिखा देते हैं
Yes.
ऐसा हुआ like a very mixed मिर्च मसाला like की ज्यादा खुद को popular करना है
but sweet.
just thought on the reality ना not on the exceptions or like
But about sweet words, now their tongue is like sharper than a double-edged sword. National Verbal Attack Survey confirms that women delivers more buns per minute than any roast master.
The real debate is not about gender. The real debate is not about gender. It's about character. There are good and bad people in both generation. If both gender, if you think all girls are bad, maybe just you are looking in a wrong place.
The topic of the debate is are all women bad?
So that is the way I'm saying. Na, you are living in you are seeing all girls around you are bad, na,
Yeah,
but
you
not
see only bad things.
around all men are bad, so we will say that all
But
men.
now, generally nowadays, more conflicts are going on in the every family because of women only.
I'm sorry, bro, but we
Nowadays-
talking on the basis of few cases.
Few cases, na, you will say
Not
overall,
because
na.
I'm saying in the general.
Okay,
I'm sorry.
people say कि क्या कहते हैं, girls cheat. Some boys cheat girls. Some boys cheat girls.
Also cheat
It is
girls.
okay for you.
Arey, only 1 to 2% of the boys cheat, and those also very
No,
rare cases.
no.
but
No, 90% boys have cheated. 10% girls cheated.
no, that's not.
No, that's wrong.
Why wrong?
That's wrong. I contradict
You
your
have to
point.
prove it.
Yeah, you have to prove it. Where you find that 90% boys has
Where
cheated
do
the
you
girls
find
and
it?
10% girls
You,
cheated?
you are giving fake
Like
news.
boys have more loyalty than
So how can you say
then
all
girls.
the
Boys have no loyalty.
For example, I tell you. For
Don't
example,
change the topic.
don't change the topic, yes.
You have given fake news.
fake news. This is fake
What
news.
fake news?
For example, there are two boys. Okay, there are two boys.
Yeah.
They never betray them. They always love each other like a brothers from another mother. But girls don't know. And if one boy loves a girl, okay, if one boy loves a girl,
You know,
so he can do anything for his brother, but not for his girlfriend.
Arey, you
Okay,
know,
and because his girlfriend
Arey,
is girl.
like I would like to add to this point.
Like, okay, you say.
80% of the girls friend groups, there are always like पीठ के पीछे चुगली, like when there is not someone, so they are speaking ill about everyone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now
And let me one
you are
word.
speaking. When we will speak, then
Okay.
it's a debate, na, not that
okay.
you will also you will. Okay, you are saying that boys have a bro code, right?
Yeah.
Right. Okay, I tell you that the case you are telling, na, murder case, her boyfriend, that girl boyfriend, that girl boyfriend is a best friend of her husband, bro. Where is the brother code
Yeah,
then?
now where is the brother code? And you said that brothers have like then in the girls cases boys are like like you have a girlfriend like not you have like one boy have
Generally one boy has a girlfriend,
one
yeah.
boy have a girlfriend okay like तो boys का ऐसा रहता है like कि उसकी लड़की से कुछ भी बात हो रही है तो like कि वो boys क्या करेगा उस लड़की की जो पर्सनल बात है वो group में शेयर करेगा so do you thought that
This is right. And showing videos and photos of
Yeah.
girls. It is right. This is
I don't
right.
think so. It is not. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so.
Many example. You shut up. I have seen many examples.
Yeah.
No personal examples. No personal example here. But no
अरे 80% of the girls, there are cases of like girls are girlfriend is checking the phone of boys like that.
Nowadays,
so
boys
that
are
is
saying give your WhatsApp, bro. Nowadays, the boys are saying give your WhatsApp to their girls, but they are
I don't think so. No.
So they are asking.
all boys are loyal.
Arey,
Show me
they are
the loyal
asking,
boys here. Then
they are asking. So, but they are asking that can I
Come
see your
tomorrow, I will show you.
They are like sneaking behind
no,
the back
no.
and checking all.
Boys are opening their girls' WhatsApp without asking. Trust issue, na?
Trust issue. That's the girls have trust issues. They are
Boys
always
are
checking.
also their trust issue
And you
nowadays.
said that a girl check a boy's phone, okay?
Yeah.
If a boy is right, so what is the problem?
Yes.
Yes.
So many of the boys give their phones to their girlfriends.
Yeah.
But
What is the
the
problem?
girl doesn't give na. That's the problem.
Yeah, girl is a man, so see,
क्योंकि वो अपना
No, she in
वो
more
अपना फोन
cases.
इसलिए देते हो घर में हाइड करके आते हैं वो अपना फोन इसलिए देते हो घर में हाइड करके आते हैं उन्हें पता अपनी बंदी से मिलना तो हाइड कर दो
मार के like
Okay, let me speak.
Speak.
Behind every successful man, there is a woman. If girl were bad, why should men take inspiration from mother, sister, wives, female leadership? Why they take?
But women talk about equality.
Yes,
Yeah. But they expect royal treatment. Like women want 50-50 rights, like
Yes.
equal rights, but they want 100% attention.
So you give attention na to your girl. Why? What's the problem? Giving your attention.
What's the boy?
Guys,
Why?
don't
Okay.
say that. Don't say that.
I am not marrying. First of all, a second thing, if like one boy is giving attention to girl, so what's the point now? Because the girl is not caring about the boy. Secondly,
So it's a mutual understanding na in
but the
relationship.
girl is not understanding now. And in every
So, bro,
single thing.
Give attention to your girl na. It's why there is a problem giving attention to your girl.
that why
Yes.
you not giving me your attention?
Yes.
And secondly, in every single thing, every small thing, they are like having misunderstandings every time. Only girls having misunderstandings,
How
not the
you
boys.
said
So
only
clear that
because of
misunderstanding.
the-
So
this is
clear that
misunderstanding.
misunderstanding.
But they can't listen now.
This is both relationships.
They can't listen.
Some boys have anger issue. So what you will say?
Yeah,
girls
girls also have more
than
anger
boys.
issues.
Some boys, you know,
I agree with
boys
your
have
point.
more
Wait,
anger
wait.
issues.
Every boy, every boy
Let
have
them complete.
every. Let me
Everybody
complete. Let me
say
complete.
complete.
Every boy has anger issues. I know that.
Every
but
girl also has.
every girl also.
Let me complete.
But in front of every girl, like in front of his girl, every boy like it is melted and like flat. But like in case of girls, they are not. They are like उनके ऊपर चढ़ जा रहे हो, वो बेचारे फंस जा रहे हो.
अरे तो क्लियर करो ना
Clear क्या, वो करने नहीं दे रही है. क्या करें?
ऐसे नहीं, वो तो फिर ऐसा है ना कि वो आपने गलत लड़की चुनी है. ब्रेकअप
वो सारी लड़कियां ऐसी होती है. It is generally. No. It is generally.
Of you girls, you can't say that all women are
Not the
bad.
basis of you girls. It's like generally.
No.
And
Let's wind up with the final argument.
okay. So having a great, healthy, disastrous debate. I would like to say that behind every unnecessary fight, every twisted fact, and every overreaction, there's not a reason. There's a woman. That's all. Thank you.